friends, my name is Steven. I will show you how to make a dinosaur egg. First, you will need to gather all the materials. Scissors, a pencil, a black marker, a different color marker, and a glue stick. But don't forget 2 different color pieces of paper. This is the paper. Let's go. There you go, guys. Next, I will need to draw the shape of the egg and a zigzag line horizontal in the middle of it. But first, we need to draw the egg. Now it's time to cut the egg. Now we cut the egg. Now we're done drawing the egg. Now we need to cut the zigzag lines. And then I have my egg. Now we put our egg on the side. And then we start drawing our dinosaur, which can be any kind of dinosaur. So I'm just drawing some random dinosaur. I guess it could be a trapeze or a Tyrannosaurus, you know. And then cutting time. Okay, so now it's time to cut my dinosaur. And then you have your dinosaur. Okay, so now we have to glue. But first we need glue this here. Of course you can use this one, but I'm using this one. So I got a glue stick. Now it's time to draw the dinosaur's face. Let's see. My happy little baby dinosaur. That's not the end, but yeah, so this is so far what I'm mistaken with that. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's hatching. Whoa! Now it's time to add with the other marker, the polka dots. And then you have your baby dinosaur. Dun, 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 dun. Then he hatches. And then he'll grow up like, you know, the guys in the front right here. He'll be this one. I hope everyone is able to create my craft, especially if you like dinosaurs. Thanks for watching.